Hello everyone, today we will learn about fruits, so do watch the entire video. Meenu, I am feeling hungry. Let's go to the kitchen and find something to eat. Now we will eat and learn about fruits, one by one. This is an apple. Apple is a red or green fruit that grows on trees. It is yummy to eat and helps us stay healthy and strong. Take Meenu have an apple and be strong. Now let's eat another fruit. This is banana. A banana is a long yellow fruit that grows in bunches.
Banana is sweet to eat and gives us energy to play and learn.
Take Meenu have a banana, you will get energy to play. We had apple and banana. Now let's check another fruit. This is a mango. Mango is a soft, juicy fruit that grows in summer. I love its sweet taste and bright yellow color. Mango is called the king of fruits. Come on, Meenu, let's have mango together. Now we will see another fruit. This is orange. It is a round fruit with a bright orange color.
Orange is juicy and gives us vitamin C to stay healthy.
Now let's eat the last fruit. Guava is a fruit with green skin and soft seeds inside. It is tasty to eat and helps keep our tummy happy and healthy. Hey Meenu, let's eat the last fruit. Meenu, my stomach is full. Let's go for a walk on beach. If you enjoyed watching the video, then give us a like and subscribe to Happy Habit Heroes.